So Jared, what are you eating?
Alright. Give me the lollipop! Give me the lollipop! Give me the lollipop! Where's that gun? Where's that gun? Oh, here!
Hey Jared, bring it over here so you can see.
Oh!
What's in that lollipop? Ooh. Alright,
Give me the lollipop.
let Vincent have some.
Give me the lollipop! Give me the... Give me the lollipop! Yeah, it got a lollipop with a worm in it! Wow!
Alright.
Oh my god, I surrender!
You know, Gabriel, that has a worm in it, right?
He's taking off. Hey, my turn! My turn.
Jared, stay over here. You gotta share it.
Okay.
The next time you run off with it, you're not getting it.
No, you got down. No more food.
I'm having the blue one.
So anybody tell me what the worm tastes like?
Try it, Daddy.
Oh, I know what the worm tastes like. Hold on.
What, you don't want to kiss me?
Hey. My turn. My turn.
It's Gabriel's turn,
It
guys.
tastes crunchy. I know it does. My turn. I just licked that part.
Hey, Gabriel. Gabriel, what does a worm taste like?
I haven't tasted it. He's just like,
Okay, Gabriel, it's Jared's turn.
Yeah, but you can't just take off with it, Jared.
Are you really trying to bite into the worm, aren't you?
Yeah, because he wants it all.
Don't eat the worm. I want to actually.
See, he's trying to bite it.
Okay,
He wants
Jared.
it
Now
all.
it's Vincent's turn.
1 second.
Don't actually
Come
eat the worm, because I want to see what the worm looks like outside. Oh, Gabriel, you are such a silly goose. Oh, you guys are starting to break the
My turn.
stick.